Okay, let me show you a few more smartboard tricks. The first one I want to show you is the screen shade. So if I go to this page and I've got a list of whatever, you could have your spelling words or whatever. If I click up here on your screen shade, it shades it, and then I can pull from the top and reveal one at a time. I can reveal sideways, other sideways. The only direction you cannot reveal is from the bottom up. So it won't let you reveal from the bottom up, but you can reveal any way you want. And if I want to get rid of it, I just re-click the screen shade, and now it's gone. Let me show you another shade type of thing. If I go to a table, and the way I like to use this, because I like to do math, is I do a memory game. So I'm going to type in 2 plus 3. I'm going to type in 5 plus 4. I'm going to type in 7 plus 3. I'm going to type in 9, 10, 5. Now, if it's not selected, you can just drag and click and select the whole thing. Click the down arrow, and it says in table, add table shade. So now all my boxes are shaded. If I click on the shaded part, it'll make it move up there. If I click on the shaded part again, it'll move it back. With the table, if you want to adjust it, you can put things in the middle. See how I did that? I selected the table, this appeared, and now everything's in the middle. So what I do is I let a kid come up, and they get to choose. Oh, that's not right, so they cover it up. So in this one, oh, those are right, so we'll leave them, and then they can play the memory game. So one other thing you can do is customize your toolbar up here. If I right click on my toolbar, then all of my options come up. A few of them that I like is clear ink, so I click on it here and drag it up and put clear ink. I also like full screen, so I click on that, drag it up, boom, there it is. If you like your screen shade, it's already up there. A few things to remember is, let's say that I want this delete, or I can also move them out of there. So let's say I click and drag it out. Now it's gone. Take this out. And so now if I were to drag it up there, if it's sideways, then it's going to be tall. If it's rectangular, then it's going to be small. So I'll move that out, and then I'll show you that big. I'll do my delete down here, and it becomes small. However you would like to do those. So you can customize your toolbar up here. You can do your screen shade. Pull it down. I just click on it, or if I was up at the smartboard, I'd just touch, move it down, move it sideways. Or your table shade, click and drag, remove table shade, or add table shade. So those are a few tricks for this week.